All right, this experiment, chemistry in a bag, we are trying to look for signs of a chemical change. And we're starting with 4 substances. The first one is powdered sugar, which is a white, pretty clumpy powder. It's rather sticky. It sticks to the spoon. I can mold it and shape it. Make kind of spoon shapes out of it. It has a sweet smell to it. We've got baking soda, again, a white powder, very fine. It pours off the spoon easily. It doesn't clump the way the powdered sugar does. Doesn't really have an odor to it at all. Oh, it has a grainy sound, very gritty. And then we've got some rock salt or road salt. And it is almost like Dippin' Dots in terms of its texture. Very chunky, little beads it looks like. It makes a sound, very crunchy sound. And then our last substance is water. I think you're pretty familiar with water. You can probably describe its characteristics. What we are doing is combining these substances in a Ziploc bag. And I've already pre-prepared this, but I put in a teaspoon of the baking soda, teaspoon of the powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of the road salt. In this little black container, I have 15 milliliters of water. What I'm going to do is tip the container of water into the solid substances, and then I'm going to mix them in and massage them in, let them mix together. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's making a sound, kind of like that. A lot of bubbles forming, and the bag is getting very warm. One of the things that I had done before starting was I squeezed as much air as possible out of the bag, and the bag is starting to inflate now with all of the bubbles or the gas that's being formed.